Etiefo, memo bibia kwaba eba Melodies TV so. Se ende eni endra munhye da ente yanka papa bia. Yemfidi a yede ye adwuma no atochema kakra. Eno ho nti yesiesie ye ho adwuma eba se nia monim se Melodies ye adwuma full force no mo bete yanka. Enti se audio yi ana broadcast ya ye uhu ne se technical challenges want yanka here facha yen na we are improvising bro ni bese improvising nti infidie bi a eni kwan se ye yusu edi ye adwuma no eno na trese ye di bu adwuma because still ye pese amansan ete ensemo a ye de ebremo now asem aba me hu ne se personally ya de enimguase aba President Akufo-Addo those who are in charge of this particular issue. Yes, Romo. Asem we die. Enimguasia eye adiaba President Akufo-Addo no. Enye. So they should try as much as possible to settle the issue. Enye. Ne asembe. Embre bi 3 July. Embra July. Esha zesisi ano yewo August mu. Into close to a month. Ena lady a yefene Nana Aba Namwa aye ni enim se woye general manager for GH1. What the picture be betuja now you are seeing it right in front of you. A picture of Nkola mienu a ye wo omo a na wo muti abom ene ba ye from conjoined twins. Conjoined twins. Na Nkola no mu hia surgery. Eto de bi a surgery bi say no eya na yenye wo Ghana abrochire ene ekoye wo. But this time around doctors wo Ghana etrese wo mo betumi aye surgery no. Na nso sika na nko wo mo hia e de aye surgery no eye 1 million Ghana cedis. Sika no na mu oduye. Etiefo nti Nana Aba Namwa edito ne ho se daabi. Wono de sika ne mu odru. Na nso esanse wo wa akoma pa a enkrofo tie ne nti wo be run social media campaign so that people will donate to the cause of a year in Nkola womo surgery no. Inti on 3rd July, Nana Aba Namwa be posti assembly say we are racing against time. I beg you, kindly share the video and donate to the Momo and Vodafone cash numbers below. And or the Momo no eto ho. Or the account name inso to ho. Or the Vodafone cash number to ho. Or sanso edi edin and a GoFundMe eto ho. Na trese. Was say emre eko Nkola no ye hias kano because embre ko na edu baby a ebeye din se ye beye operation no wo musu asa no won se wo mudompe no emu nhye danya anye din sa inti time we na ebo se wo ye eye operation no ukotwen kakra na dompe no ebe hyase se e develop a operation no ebeye din se ebeye inti Nana Aba Namwa edi kotosre ebeto Ghana fo enim na no kra na nyame enim ni Ghana fo e show love. Because Nana Aba Namwa yobia, a lot of people listen to her. It's Ghana for a tre wodo. Ama Nana Aba Namwa ebenya beye 500,000 Ghana cedis. Natre say we drew half of the target. Etiefo ye guswa ye na omo a wo mo beka ntie obi a wo ni sika ni bi no ono na wo retweet so that the wo sika no wo behu na wo de aba. Ntie hwa na President Akufo-Addo wo baaye ebeka say oh sa eka 1 million ni ono President Akufo-Addo wafa aban no afa ato ne so se Nkola yi wo musika wo muhia for surgery no wanka se wo de sika ni bi ka ho wase sika ni na 1 million Ghana cedis President Akufo-Addo afa Ghana fo ni na ebebo se eka se Akufo-Addo aye bi because mekai say some years back ebisi ye e wo Rollins abreso Rollins nso efa aka no ema Nkola ye surgery momo nti na nkrofo ka se Akufo-Addo we sua bibi pa from Rollins na waye bi and ye womo a womo de be politics de ye politics say nana cares nana de he cares wafa me kra me ba bonte be ka se wow Akufo-Addo aye ade because enye easy sa nti ye de ye wa bonte ye nim say by this time President Akufo-Addo de sika na akọ ama Nkola yi sebe yakwa akoye wo mu surgery no. Now in some way huge allegations intia na masheda me this screenshot from nipa corner wa share say wo ye campaign no aba beto mo nim so that Nkola say Melodies and America to president ne so Inti on 5th July, Nana Aba Anamoah ebe posti ye was say thank you Nana Akufo-Addo. The conjoined twins are grateful. Inti Nana Aba Anamoah be da President Akufo-Addo say Akufo-Addo ye da wase se wafa eka no nkole yi ade a waye aso wo mani. Inti Ghana for ye na ya adwen fi so yinim say by this time the sika na akomo mo ye operation no. Ye be hwan say on 12th July, exactly a week after President Akufo-Addo beka say wo befa eka na Nana Aba Anamoah be da na so no. Nana Aba Anamoah san so ebe trauma President Akufo-Addo. Now that is the screenshot right in front of you. I say good evening Nana-Addo, I hope you are well. How soon will the Ridge Hospital receive the monies promised for the surgery? Thanks once again. God bless you. Nana Aba Anamoah beka say, hey, President Akufo-Addo, 1 week ni wanka mumba, won say 1 week after 1 week. Into beka say, nkwala no still Ridge Hospital surgery no ye beye ewo ho no nkwala no wo monsa still enken sika no nti time ben na wo feel say sika no ebekwa akodru because embre eye den ekọ. Nana Aba Anamoah be trust ade we no ne kra ne nyame anim ni senia MPP for edisene ewo ne so no na enye bi ni nkrofo di na tem say ade ne wo sa wo ba abontin be tweet sa ade we ade ne wajimi sa president na aka se wo beye ade na wo ba begu n'anim asesei ade na wo ba bisa ade na wanko ne office ana wanko anko bisa ne say president we ade na wo de betudwa na tre say wo gu n'anim ase asem a MPP for be ka tre na Aba Anamoah no ema me kai say that time no asem a me kra me be kan ne say listen the AC no let's try as much as possible to be civil with it because ebia we don't know the details of the issue eya wo say na Aba Anamoah udi na tem no. For all you know, workers are then won't bisa president on throw to the president. For all you know, no, this was her last resort. For all you know, what tries to contacted the presidency over this issue. Now so one teshe. And now would you take it to social media? No, into someone maybe kind no. Say microphone mudi na tem no mu nim asem ni mu. Ebia now what try for that week no. Now so still when your solution bia. And you see the interesting thing they say, Embra Nana Aba Anamoah war running campaign now it do 500,000 no. It was that time and a President Akufo-Addo beka so obe faka no. Inti Ghana for amfa sika na mbabiom because ye ni na President Akufo-Addo ka se wo be faka no. Inti na fe nkrofo bisa say inti sika na Nana Aba Anamoah agisisi ano e de ne de beye. Because president they say obefaka na intite say yeah yetiatia ya ekodu 500,000 eye $500,000 no then ye di sika ne be na Nana Aba Anamoah ka say oh senias wo hwe nkrofo dodo a eseni sika na ye ntumi nseni mo obi back so what they will do ne say omo a wo mo di adwuma ne hye ne nsa so wonye campaign no wo de sika no kwa akɔhye omo nsa se sika no ye de beye surgery ama nkrofo foforo a wo mu hia e wo hospital ho ana say ye de be creative fund bi ama nkolai wo mu nyia na kyerese abo omo a ene there is up to them tina na Aba Anamoah de obeyi ne nsa efi sika ne so o donate sika no e ma hospital no ene ebusuafo no because president aka say wo be faka no ntina afi sika we akwakoda ne bonus nti afi a week president no ne de ne mbae no ene obeye sa de na nkrofo be di na temba me hu said that be ebia na that was Nana Aba Anamoah's last resort. That was Nana Aba Anamoah enyama bia wa ya say we be reach out to the president and nsanka president no hu ne said that be one for frustration and metro e social media. Nevertheless nkrofo di na tem. Inti on 12th July, Yanteshe from the office of the presidency, Yanteshe from the information minister, because mostly in Sembis and information minister and the Beba Bontin Ababa Beka. Because I send this you say, Yaba Bontin in Krata Betu just say Akufo-Addo Afakano. Etiefo Yawahane say Endra 31st July. Another journalist, we juma with Nana Aba Anamoah. But also Aba Betro say, hey. Close to a month ni still President Akufo-Addo sika no enkoye. Hey! Iti enra me hu ya na me say na asem wo egusu ti ase. Na de nkra na wo Ghana inti journalist refer no Emmanuel Ejaben o say hello na Akufo-Addo say conjoined twins generally have a poor prognosis. The total survival rate is 7.5%. Only 60% of the surgical separated cases survive. The louder the silence of presidency on your promise, the more uneasy the concerned become. How far, Nana? It's a summer journalist never can say, Sankole, Ayankolé Bia. Yayo mo operation na chekra no. Ana yayo mo operation na ewie kra no. Eya den kra se wo mo be survive. Na yen kanka say operation yi kra yenya nye because ye twen say president de sika beba. Up till now, close to a month, our president ebe make a promise. Sika no ana mehwe, I don't think it's close. President did make a promise on 5th July. And that me say we are in 1st August. So yes, close to a month. Our president did make a promise say what the sika ne ba. Not just doctors no so ahye adwuma na se no. Doctors no enhye surgery na se because president no the promise I will make here no sika no embae. Inti journalists when so be kan because unse na na ba na mo abekan ni ge yedi natem in terms of ono de wa na so be yekom ho. Ema ono ankasa journalist e na aba abonten e dem sem na ba betudwa. E na Ghana fo etu wo mo nu see president so say hey na sembe ni. Afei asemenji afei MPP fo a no mudi na naba na mo atem kra no wo mo kra be hu se da bi we de bebi akwa akodru no enye mesre wo mo handle the president no ebia ya de asemo ebe kan no ebia na president no enye ono ankasa na ebia obeyi sika no ebia wo de besuma obi ebia na enkoye because close to a month ni surgery ya ho promise enam so. Because donation, no sure baby ana donation I could confidently say nanka yebenya sa 1 million no. But president no be ma promise no. Na naba na mo be posti about the donation just on 3rd July. By 5th July president no be ma promise no. Na donation yenya 500,000 Ghana cedis. To me who say nanka yebetumi nya sa 1 million no. But because the presidency or the president came to promise inti na afei e was say donation ye jaye ntumi ko jiska ne biom enti afei de aden na wo hwa allegations eba office of the presidency wo mo mfa sika no enkoye e mankole still yenye wo mo operation ye nyama ben na ekoso wo Ghana yi afei de Hassan na edru mesremo those handling the president we de ye ningu asesem bia eni kwan se na nka epie kra because ye nia wa na president no Wabema promise.